I'm Douglas Harris and I'm staying in a single ensuite bedroom. I like living at Trinity because it's such a homely environment with everyone that works here. They're so nice, and all the rooms are really nice here and really reasonable for their prices. I particularly like my ensuite room because it's a place that I can literally just relax, put some music on after university, do some work. One of the benefits of having an ensuite is never having to wait to go to the loo. But with an ensuite, you're literally like, I've got it, I can go in there. In the shared cooking space, some places use it for free drinks. In my flat, we normally cook together, we'll socialise for a bit, like as a way to keep in touch with everyone. In the common room we have, it's quite large. Normally we have ping pong, Connect 4, we've got a TV here as well, so it's a nice way to just relax, make new friends, so it's normally a pretty fun place. This accommodation in particular is 5 minutes away from town and 5 minutes away from the heart of the university, which makes it great because you've got the Delphi, Chips and Giggles, that you can just go to, relax. Chips and Giggles have games as well, so you can play video games with your friends while drinking, which is always a plus. The homes for student staff are amazing. They want to check up on you, they actually care. So if you have a problem, like if there's something wrong with one of your bedrooms, you just come down and go, I have a problem, and you sign it up, and it's normally done within the week.
When they first come through the doors, we have a welcoming site for them with the team who are here to greet them. We show them around, tell them how to use everything, give them the information that they need, and anything that they're not sure of, they're welcome to come and speak to the team at any time. When they check in, they will get a fob and a key, and that fob will allow them into the main entrance door, the locked door, and also the laundry.
There's CCTV as soon as you're entering the buildings, so you know who enters the buildings. It makes me feel really safe because I'm a software engineering student, so I have a high-tech PC for it. It means that I don't have to worry about it if I go out at night, like, oh, something's gonna happen to it.
So if any packages get delivered, we would sign on the student's behalf, then pop a little slip in the post box to say you've got a package. They would bring the slip to us, and then we would give them the package to them. The
laundrette is pretty high-tech. They have a website that you can use, and you can see which laundry machines are available and dry machines. From the two payment options of paying it all together and paying it in installments, I chose the installments because it coincides with my student finance coming in.
I think it's nice for all the team to see a young fresher start that's quite nervous, and then 3 or 4 years down the line, they're leaving as a mature adult, out into the big world, and it's nice to be a part of that.